Welcome to Catherine the Paint. Today we are going to be doing this table project. My daughter had a brilliant idea. We have this little table in her room and it's not very pretty. This is metal and you can see it just lifts off of here. So she wants a galaxy poured into this tray. So I am going to clean it up and I am going to spray it black, and then we are going to do a galaxy pour in this metal tray. So, and glam it up for her room. Alright, so let's get to it. Okay, we have the Chameleon. It's a Too-Faced called Grumpy from Artist Till Death. And I have my KS resin. It's the liquid art coat. And those are the only two things that we are using for this particular layer. So I spray painted the tray on both sides of black, and then I used Amsterdam white titanium to make the stars, and I used a dotting tool and just dotted on some stars. And now I am spreading the KS resin and I'm getting it all the way to the edges. I want a nice good base coat on here, and then I'm gonna put the Grumpy Too-Faced in here, and it shimmers and shifts colors from a blue to a purple, and it looks really pretty. And then I'm gonna let this dry, and then we'll do the rest of our galaxy. So you guys, if you could hit the subscribe button and hit the notification bell, it really helps my channel out a lot, and I really appreciate it. So I'm doing this in layers because I want to build up the depth and also build up the tray so that it'll look better with several layers. Alright, so I'm spreading the Grumpy Too-Faced around. Now I'm just finishing off the clear. Gotta use it all. Then I'm going to go in with my heat gun, and I'm going to spread this color around till it kind of looks more natural. So you don't want to stay in one place too long, just kind of move around and move the color to the way you want it. Galaxies are pretty flexible, so I mean, everyone is different, so just get the idea in your head of what you want to do and play around with it and have a good time. I'm having a blast. So this is my second galaxy. I did a class with Artist Till Death with a galaxy, and it was so much fun. I will be doing more of these. All right, let's move on to the next layer. My daughter's birthday is September 9th, and NASA has a picture of a galaxy or stars or whatever, I don't know, something. One of their pictures that they took on her birthday, and it's really cool. It has like an amber color burst, and it's like reddish on the side and then more amber brownish and then yellow. So trying to recreate that in resin. Thank goodness I ventured out from all my blues, because I have so many blues that it's crazy. So I've been trying to get some other colors. So I picked these up from Artist Till Death. This is Daisy Yellow by Color Obsession, and this one is Cherry. And I mixed them together. So I put the tiniest bit in of the cherry, the tiniest bit of the cherry, and then more of the yellow, So, and it was still really bright. So that's going to be the outer part. And then I added a lot more yellow. And then that's going to be more the amber colored center. So we're just going to use a little bit of that and then blow it out a bit. And then I also mixed some Mermaid Lagoon from Island Micas and More. I still have a stick in it because I might use some more in other places. We'll see. So we've got that mixed up. It's like a gold glittery. It's an interference, but it's just stunning, stunning, stunning. And I thought it would go really good with kind of the orangey and yellow colors. So, all right. Woo. Breathe. Always remember to breathe when you're doing your stuff. Get so hyped up. Oh yes, and I have a white mixed up, and this is Snow White. I got this in my Galaxy kit that I got from Artist Till Death. So it usually comes in a bigger container, but when you order the kits, they have these free art classes, and you can order the kits to get all the supplies together, and then they're in smaller containers, and they're amazing. That way you get to try a whole bunch of different stuff and see what you like the best, and then you can order the bigger as you go. So I'm definitely going to be ordering some more of this Too Faced Grumpy. I need a whole container of that stuff. It's amazing. All right, so I'm scared to start. Do we have to start? All right, let's do it. So you really can't go wrong because every galaxy looks different, and so just create something that looks cool and you're good. So I am just going to put this down. I'm gonna put some of this on top. I'm going to move it around a little with the heat gun. I'm going to start on low, see where we go from there. I'm going to want to move this around a little bit and then add some more. So I just didn't want to start with too much. Don't want it to be solid, so I'm kind of mixing it in. I'm going to put just a little bit of this out here. Oh, almost knocked my resin over. Okay, I'm mumbling to myself. I need to talk louder where y'all can hear me. All right, I'm going to put a little bit of the white just in the middle. All right, when you put your stick in the other colors in the white, don't put it back in the white because without wiping it off, or you're gonna mess up your white. So let's load the heat gun again. I know it looks weird right now, but I think in the end it's gonna turn out good. So let's just see. Take it one stage at a time. I've got it on low. We actually have it on high. Yeah, get more movement. That's better. Yes, I'm liking that better. You don't want to burn your resin, so don't keep it in one spot too long. Which one? I've got it on low. We actually have it on high. Yeah, get more movement. That's better. Yes, I'm liking that better. You don't want to burn your resin, so don't keep it in one spot too long. Okay. I'm going to put some of that color on the white so it makes us with the white a little bit. And some more of the amber. Amber is the color of your energy. Amber is all things amber. So that's my daughter. She's amazing. Oh, I am really, really liking that. All right. I think I'm gonna let this sit for a minute and think about it. And in the meantime, I'm gonna take one of my wipes that I have added alcohol to the package. I just pour some 91% alcohol in there. And that way it makes these wipes supercharged for resin. I find it invaluable to have these around for cleanup. So I dripped a drop of resin right there. See, wiped it up, it's gone. All my edges are clean now. All right, I'm gonna give this a few minutes to rest and I'm gonna think about if I wanna add anything else and I will be right back. All right, here is the Galaxy table finished. Well, the Galaxy's finished. We haven't decided if we're gonna paint the wood. I have a really pretty, really dark blue that would look good with this, I think. So we're trying to decide whether to leave it the wood color or go ahead and paint it. Getting a really bad reflection. Let's see. Nope, that's not better. All right. Going for some close-ups. So I put a final top coat on here and put just a tiny bit of silver glitter in there, and it just catches the light and makes just a little bit of a starry look addition to the white stars I had made. Well, this project was a lot of fun, and Amber's loving it. And this was inspired by the September 9th NASA photo that they released. So that's her birthday. It's not exactly like that. Theirs has a little more of the brownish red color, but that's okay. It's just inspired by it. Alright guys, let me know what you think. This was such a fun project. So let me know what you think about the table. Should I paint it, spray paint it a dark blue, or leave it the cherry brown? Please like and subscribe. Be inspired.